Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. There is a receipt. I'm filming lots of videos today. There's a receipt down the back of my sofa. That's great. How are you doing today? Hope you're all doing well. Today I am doing a come shop with me and haul, because I'm filming this after the fact I've been. You know I do that because time is of the essence. But I'm filming a come shop with me and haul. I've got an itchy back. Around Ikea today, or Ikea, if you want to be Swedish. My aim for today was to get some storage because I want some storage, more storage basically, just boxes and stuff really. But yeah, I haven't been to IKEA in quite a while. And I thought, I want to go to IKEA, thank you. So I did. I did also go to Bicester Village this morning as well. I went to Bicester Village, then IKEA, and then Central Milton Keynes, and then home again. Oh, it's been a day. And I'll leave some of the videos that I've done previously. I'm not sure when this is going up, but I'll leave the Bicester Village haul if you're haul and come shop with me. There's two videos. If you're interested in those, I'll leave those up the top for you to watch. But without further ado, it's a very quick come shop with me part because it was quite difficult to film. It was busier than I anticipated. I got there about 12 o'clock because I went to Bicester before. So I got there around 12 o'clock and yeah, there was quite a few people by that point and it was raining outside. So yeah, let's do the come shop with me and then we'll come back, regroup and we will do the haul. So it was raining when I went today, so I parked in the it's not underground, but you know, under the store car park. But here we are in the showroom section. Sorry about the so shaky camera work. I was like walking as I was doing this. But first off we get to like the sofas, which are just lovely, and like some room settings. This kitchen looked kind of basic but kind of nice as well, basically. A lot of organisation there, which was quite interesting. And yeah, there was like a little utility room set up at the back, which was quite nice. So I quite like this room setting. And so I can't in my flat have any big furniture really. They always seem to have this, and I don't think the price of that has gone up, but I've got one very similar, which is actually better. Go check out my hauls from like 3 years ago. This sofa was so nice though, in a nice teal, but I would have nowhere to put it. And that sofa was also nice, but a bit pricey really for that. Just a two-seater, and the cushion on it was superb. Lovely. We revisit that cushion later. So yeah, more room settings and stuff. If you haven't been to IKEA, this is what IKEA is like. Kallax stuff here. I love a Kallax. I think they have gone up in price though, because I'm sure my 2x4 was only £45. I think it might have been less than that. I think it was 39 at one point. They had some nice like small dining room tables. This one here was so nice. I would consider getting that. In my space now. It's not actually as big. It doesn't look like it's as big as the table I've got at the moment. This is also nice. It's a bit weird. £119, and it's got like a not a roof, but you know, like a metal thing at the top. But that table and chairs that we saw, the first one, was really nice, except a little pricey because you have to buy the chair separately, and I think they were a bit more expensive. The one I've got at the moment is just from like a collapsed one from Habitat, but I don't ever collapse it. And some collapsible, you know, foldable chairs. This kitchen was so nice. I love the tiles on the side there, and a bit more of a basic one here, which is probably the vibe I would go for. And I think that one must be one of their cheapest ones there. This is the cushion. This was £7. So nice, like a chevron, I guess, and it's got teal and yellow, which are the colours of my flat. Now moving around, I got a trolley. We're in like the marketplace. Is that what it's called? Marketplace, something like that. And I beelined for the storage, so I cut through one of the cut-throughs, because storage was why I was here. And then I just saw, when I was in like the bit down there, they did like that. It was really nice. So, hope you enjoyed that little come shot with me. There was a really nice cushion that I nearly picked up for myself, or my mum, because my mum wants some more cushions for the lounge. But I nearly picked it up. It was so nice. It's like not patchwork, but like different coloured squares. It was so nice, and it had teal and yellow in it, so it would go with my theme. Teal, yellow, but I don't need any more cushions, and Mum said don't buy me cushions because I want to go pick them out myself. So I was like, okay then, but that was a really nice cushion. Other than that, I wasn't, like, some of the kitchen stuff was nice, but I don't need a new kitchen. But today I have got, well, this is the haul bit. Let me put it on the floor. Oh, it's resting on something. Yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. It's not terribly exciting, and 2 of the things are over there, but I got 2 of the same thing. So yeah, first thing, Mum wanted me to pick up some blue bags, because she actually uses these as gardening bags. So as well as that one, I picked up 2 for her. These are 75p. I don't know where the receipt is, so we're just going to have to guess prices. To get it out of the way, I need to take out the thing that's inside. I got, there we go, 2 more of these. I've now got 8 of these glasses. I'm terrified that 1, I'll break one, and 2, they won't do these anymore. These are now £1. These used to be 75p for these, and the clear ones used to be 50p. I don't know if the clear ones are 50p because I didn't even look, but this was £1 now. It's made in Russia. So yeah, I wanted 2 more. I've got 2 more. The other one is over there. I was terrified about getting these home because I only got 2, so I didn't put them in one of those, like, cardboard carrier things they do. So I actually put it in the other item that I've got, which is this. So I got 2 of these, which are just storage boxes. These, I think, were, I don't know, £2 or something for this size. This was the smaller size. They do, that is the name. It's probably not going to even, you probably can't even see it, can you? So yeah, you get the lid with it. I think these were £2. But these are going to, I know where these are going to live. There's going to be 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to put in them, but I know where they're going to live. 2 of these next to each other on my, like, I've got like it's a bar cart / trolley thing. I don't use it as a bar cart because I don't drink that much. So there's that. This is the best thing you buy in Ikea. I bought 5. This chocolate is my favourite chocolate ever. And my friend actually went to Ikea the other day and got me some. And I finished it, so I needed to buy some more. This isn't all for me, by the way. I'm not eating 5 bars of chocolate. I'm probably going to give one to my brother for his birthday, and then one to Mum and Dad, maybe. I don't know. But this is my favourite chocolate. It is like £2.25, I think, but it is worth every freaking penny. It is like Lindt, basically, chocolate, but it isn't as expensive. Ow, I just scratched myself. But if you're going to Ikea, definitely pick this up. They do it in other, I was going to say scents, they do it in other flavours as well. Like they do a dime and stuff. But yeah, I picked those up. That's probably the heaviest thing in here. I got some, I must have put the receipt in my wallet. But I got some train set stuff because my nephew especially loves train sets, and I thought we could just do with a few bit more of the stuff. This I think was £7, which is, train set stuff is so expensive, it's ridiculous. I think that was £7 for 2, 4, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So that's not great really, is it? But I bought those. I also then bought this, which is like a turntable thing. I hope this all fits on the train set that we've got. Normally it's quite universal, the stuff, so hopefully, I'm not sure how much this was. And then I bought a electronic, like, self-control, like battery powered engine, which I didn't realise was £8. I thought it was £5. It was £8, and it's only this bit, and you just put a battery in it. I did buy one at Christmas, like just before Christmas, I think it was, and it was like £5.99 from Lidl, and that is so good. It's like a whole train, and it's really good. This was £8, so not quite as good. I thought it was 5 because it had 5. I find IKEA pricing, like, in the store quite difficult to see, and I thought it said 5, but it was 8. And when you get to the till, you can't really say I don't really want that anymore because you're like miles away from where it was. The last thing, I think these were £5 actually. the last thing I got was the bigger version of the smaller box. I got 2 of them. Let's just put that there. I got 2, so there's 2 in here. They aren't quite as big as I wanted them to be. But I was there and I come all this way just to get these boxes basically, because the ones that I've got at the moment, which I do really like, were from B&M, but they don't seem to have... B&M's very hit and miss. You can't always expect it to have everything that you want, and they don't. They do them, but they do them in a pink and a teal, and I've not seen the grey again. And I want the grey ones. I want like 3 more, but I wanted more storage anyway because I'm trying to sort out my kitchen and stuff and like make it more organised. So even if I put these in cupboards rather than, I was going to put, I've got 1 at the moment of the B&M boxes at the top on like the top above the units on the wall, so I can put these in there as well, just putting anything in there, that's stuff I don't use all the time, so it can go in there and be out of my way. But yes, that is my Ikea haul. It came to more than I thought, because like 2 boxes of these, it was 10 quid, and then I think this must have been 5, these might have been £2.50 each maybe. It came to £37 and I was like, okay, plus 12, because the chocolate was £12, so plus that, so it was quite expensive for what it was really. But there we go, I went all that way. And those boxes in B&M, I'll still, if I do go to another B&M, or if they have them in mine again, I will get them, because they were £3.50 and they're really good. And they're the Wham brand, but they were really good. But anyway, that was my come shop with me and haul to Ikea. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know down below if you've been to Ikea recently and what you picked up. I liked everything, but obviously I'm not moving or doing anything like that at the moment or anytime soon, so I don't need any furniture or anything. But as I suspected, the prices have gone up a bit. Like the Kallaxes are now £60, which they used to be 50. I think they used to be 45 for the 2x4, but now they're 60. And I know Ikea said they were going to have to put up prices. So there we go. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe, hit that bell down below, and also follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!